Ever feel like your DIY projects get cut short because your rotary tool is tethered to an outlet, overheating, or just doesn't have the accessories you need for the job? That's why I tested the top cordless rotary toolkits on Amazon to find the ones that handle everything from delicate engraving to heavy-duty cutting without ever slowing you down. From compact precision tools to fully loaded accessory kits, these rotary tools are total game changers for makers, crafters, and DIYers alike. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. First up is the Fantic F2 Pro Cordless Rotary Toolkit, and this one brings genuinely impressive power into a tool small enough to handle with complete precision and control. Its strong magnetic motor, combined with the unique Ravoster hub system, delivers smooth, reliable performance across 5 variable speed settings, topping out at a powerful 25,000 revolutions per minute that rivals tools twice its size. That kind of range means you can move effortlessly between delicate sanding on a 3D printed model and serious carving or drilling tasks without ever needing to switch tools or compromise on results. With a massive 55 accessories included right in the box, it comes ready for nearly any project you can imagine the moment you unpack it. Whether that's polishing jewelry, cutting small parts, engraving wood, or detailed craft work that demands real precision. The cordless freedom means you're never restricted by cord length or outlet placement, which makes a real difference when you're working on larger projects that require moving around. If you want one single kit that genuinely covers every base without needing a second tool down the line, the Fantic F2 Pro is an outstanding and reliable starting point. Next on the list is the Fantic F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. And this one is built specifically for makers who want serious precision, packed into a smaller, more refined package that feels genuinely comfortable during extended use. Powered by the innovative NeoPulse motor and paired with that same reliable Ravoster hub technology, it offers 5 distinct speed settings, reaching up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, giving you the same impressive performance found in larger tools, but inside a body designed specifically to reduce hand fatigue. It comes with 35 included accessories, along with a dedicated engraving pen, making it especially well-suited for 3D printing finishing work, fine detail engraving, and intricate carving projects that demand a steady, controlled hand. For anyone who spends hours hunched over detailed craft work, jewelry making, or model finishing, this mini powerhouse delivers exactly the kind of comfortable, sustained precision that larger, bulkier tools simply can't match over long sessions. The third pick is the HOTO 35 in-one cordless rotary toolkit. And this one stands out by combining serious motor power with a genuinely thoughtful design touch that other kits on this list overlook entirely. Its strong motor reaches that same impressive 25,000 revolutions per minute benchmark across 5 variable speeds, putting it right in line with premium competitors twice its price. But the standout feature here is a built-in LED light that illuminates your exact work area as you go. That might sound like a small addition at first glance, but anyone who has tried to engrave fine detail or carve precise lines in dim lighting knows exactly how much of a difference proper illumination makes for accuracy and confidence. With 35 included accessories covering sanding, polishing, drilling, carving, and cutting, it comfortably handles the full range of 3D printing finishing work and everyday DIY crafts without ever feeling underpowered. For detail-oriented makers who value precision above almost everything else, that built-in lighting feature alone makes this tool worth a serious, closer look. Coming in at number 4 is the Dremel Light 7760, and this one represents the trusted, legendary name that essentially started the entire rotary tool category, now reimagined in a lightweight, modern cordless design built for everyday convenience. Running on a 4-volt motor with smooth variable speed control, it's built specifically for light-duty DIY work, casual crafting, gentle sanding, simple engraving, and light polishing rather than heavy industrial or professional tasks. Convenient USB charging makes topping up the battery incredibly simple, whether you're plugging into a laptop, a portable power bank, or a standard wall adapter at home. Easy accessory changes mean you can switch between different attachments and tasks in just seconds without fumbling with tiny tools, calays, or confusing instructions. For complete beginners, casual weekend crafters, or anyone who simply wants the trusted reliability of the Dremel name in a simple, approachable, and genuinely affordable package. This lightweight option is extremely hard to beat for everyday use around the house. The fifth and final pick is the Fantic F2 Pro Kit in its flip-top case version. And this one takes everything already great about the original F2 Pro and adds serious organization and accessory depth right on top of it. With that same strong motor, delivering 5 variable speeds up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, performance remains right at the very top of this entire list. But this version steps things up further, with 44 included accessories, all neatly housed inside a convenient flip-top case that keeps everything organized and instantly ready to grab whenever inspiration strikes. That kind of all-in-one storage makes a genuine, noticeable difference for anyone who has ever wasted precious time digging through loose bits, scattered attachments, and missing pieces in the middle of an active project. Whether you're sanding down a freshly printed 3D part, polishing a metal surface to a mirror shine, drilling small, precise holes, or carving intricate decorative details, this kit keeps every single tool you might need within arm's reach in one tidy, travel-ready package. From the precision-focused Fantic F2 Master Mini to the budget-friendly Dremel Lite, the LED-equipped Hoto, and the fully organized Fantic F2 Pro flip-top case, there's a cordless rotary tool here for every kind of project. Think about what matters most to you: raw power, accessory count, comfort, or organization. One of these 5 kits is almost certainly your answer. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting!